Here's I'll show you how to remove watermark from your Samsung Galaxy Mobile. So here I'm opening my gallery, and as you can see, I captured a photo, and here we can see this photo watermark showing. Now I'll show you how to remove watermark. First of all, go to your camera app, and here in your camera app tap on settings, and here you will find watermark. Just disable watermark. Now I'm going to capturing a new photo. Let's open this photo, and as you can see, no watermark is showing in this photo. But if you already captured a photo and you want to remove watermark from the photo, let's see how to do it. Go ahead and open your gallery and open this specific photo you want to remove watermark, and then tap on this edit option, and here just tap on revert. Tap on revert to original, and here we can see the watermark has been removed from this photo. Now tap on save, and that's how you will be able to remove watermark from existing photo. Thanks for watching.